What's good, YouTube? We are back with another trade breakdown. Today we made around I think it was like $2,200, and we risked a little over $1,000 on around a 1 and 2 trade. And we're going to dive into this trade and break it down and show you exactly why I took this trade and why it played out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and click all the links in the description. I do teach how to trade. You get access to my one-on-ones, you get access to the webinars, you get access to my entire course, you get exclusive booking access to book one-on-ones with me. You get personalized trading plans for yourself. You get access to the trading community to talk amongst other traders to help each other out. And you get access to my signals. And I only charge $1 a day. So if you want to get started with trading and you want to see all what it has to offer, make sure you click the link in the description and get started in Keynote Millionaires community. So without further ado, let's look at this trade in front of us and let's do a top-down analysis. Okay, so for all my trades, I usually start on a 4-hour, and you know we do execute on lower time frame. We generally execute on the 15-minute, 5-minute, or the 1 minute. Usually not the 15-minute too much, but definitely 1 or 5 minute. Today I decided to take a scalp because I did wake up late. I woke up around 9 o'clock, and I usually trade right after 8:30, so I didn't really get to the charts until 11 o'clock. So I did see we missed our major move, but it did continue in what I wanted to go to, because the last trade we took, make sure you watch the video from yesterday. We had strong displacement to buy side, and I knew we were going to continue up because I do see liquidity residing here. I do expect a little rejection right here to go down and come here to go up and take this liquidity up here. But we see on a 4-hour, we were heavily bullish after taking this low right here, and we had this strong market structure shift. So then, you know, I go to the 1 hour after we touch on the 4-hour. So the 1 hour definitely gives us way more information. What I like is it gave us, this is all from yesterday, by the way, so I'll clear that up. It gave us another market structure shift. So you can see it came and took liquidity on this swing low. And I know it took liquidity because it rejected as soon as it did that. So I'll mark that as a liquidity sweep. And then we had our market structure shift when price came and took this high out. That was a very important high, and a lot of liquidity was residing above there. Just how the candle was formed. So that's our market structure shift. So we know, and we had strong displacement through it to close it out, and that's on higher time frame. So that's on the 1 hour. So I didn't get onto the charts until, actually, let me get those drawings back so I can see the actual where the actual setup is. So yeah, the market structure shift was right here. Let me redraw that for you again. We had our sweep right here, and then we had a market structure shift right here, and I'll title that market structure shift really quick. Okay, so on a 1 minute time frame, sorry, I went to the 15-minute time frame. So 1 hour to 15-minute time frame. I trade USD JPY a lot, so I kind of know what it does and what it has a tendency of doing. So not every concept, not every principle you can always attach to one pair so strongly, because sometimes they move different. They move really different. So that's why I say trade one for a while, see how much you really like it, and see how how it moves. They all move different, but they all follow the same concepts, principles usually, but they move different. So you have to take that in consideration. So we did leave with this big fair value gap, or not fair value gap, but an imbalance. We had an imbalance right here, and a fair value gap down here. When we're this bullish and price is flying up that high, I'm not thinking it's gonna go all the way down to give me a perfect entry. So I kind of take what it gives me. So in the 1 minute time frame, I knew I was bullish. I just had to see a good buying point. So what I did was I placed a buy stop above this high. So price came, it took liquidity right here, and then it broke and made a small market structure shift on the lower time frame. But I got in when price came back up here. So I placed the buy stop, and my target was around right here. I wanted to do like around a 1 or 2. That's kind of what I typically aim for. If it's not really close to 1 or 2, I don't take the trade. I'm not interested in that because unnecessary risk. So price came down. You can see at this point I didn't care what it did. I just knew price was going to return. So I placed my market structure. I placed my buy stop right here after this down close candle, the strong down close candle. I placed my buy stop right here, which is the purple line. A buy stop, essentially, when price goes back up, it crosses this over and it automatically puts you in the buy. Set your stop loss down here and you take profit down up here. And I put my stop loss above this low. Below this low. Sorry, and I take profit around above this high. So actually, if you can see, you look closely, you can see that there was a fair value gap where this black candle entered. It played off of it a tiny bit, but ultimately it went down to take out this low. So that's why you can't just insert anything off the 1 minute. You need to have that higher time frame bias and kind of see what price is really doing. Because there's been many times where prices give me, oh, this entry looks perfect, but it didn't give the market structure shift. So if you would have entered right here on this fair value gap, you would have lost your money. But I waited for it to give me more structure, so that's why I placed the actual buy stop. And so you can see price, it continues to rally higher and higher. You do see from right here, lunch session, like the lunch session is like around 12, so around what? I think it was like 15 or something. Around right here to right here, we had a lot of consolidation. And then after lunch hour or whatever, price finally rallied up and took us and made our money. So it's very simple. The same thing happens every day, a day again. I will be dropping these daily, my trade breakdowns. So if you don't want to miss out on any money, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and join the community. Let's get this money. Let's all make money together. Let's all become better traders together and business people in general. Because who wants to work a job? Anyways, we're out.